Before I met you, I thought I was the best version of myself. I hid behind a lot of what I didn't want to acknowledge and catered to what I thought others wanted and expected of me. I was confident and fearless, but I guess I was still trying to figure out who I was.
I will always remember meeting you in your Dragon Lady jacket. As you already know, this is probably the shortest one between us, but as you know, me as always, straight to the point.
Being with you, I learned to confront myself and my fears that I didn't know still existed. You taught me how to get over my biggest flaw, my insecurity. I learned to trust someone else without allowing my insecurity to take over, and it's never felt so freeing. Hold on. Why am I shaking? Can't even turn the page. You were patient with me and didn't give up, even when I hit rock bottom last year. I went from confident to fragile, all based off of my looks. My hair, I hated myself. I hated myself for how I looked. I lost all the strength I had built up over time. I felt alone because I was pushing you away. Even then, you showed me what it meant to love someone unconditionally, something that I have made very tough for us and didn't always give in return. Each day you witnessed me at my worst, but continued to love and care for me. You were still affectionate with me and did what you could to get a smile or laugh out. All you've ever wanted for me was to be just happy. With you, I feel safe and secure. I can be me without any judgment, and I love that you can be yourself too. I'm lucky enough to see a side of you that only comes out behind closed doors. It makes it that much more special and something I cherish. Thank you for allowing yourself to be vulnerable with me, for taking the risk of opening your heart up and letting me in. We didn't do things in order, as people would say, but in the past 3.5 years, I've only felt more in love with you as each day passed. Even after everything we've been through, you still want me. You still came home to me and agreed and asked me to spend the rest of my life with you. One thing I love about us is that we're both on the same wavelength. We're just riding the wave and going with it, and happy to be doing it together. I love the feeling of being in love with you. All of our dumb inside jokes and childish ways. I love the life we've already built together, and I'm excited for what's next. I still can't believe today is the day. How has it been this long, and yet you still can give me butterflies? I know that's probably something lame to say, but I also know you love that lame stuff deep down. I truly believe God already had our lives planned out and that we were supposed to meet that day at the bar. We always told each other at the end of the day, we just want the other person to be truly happy, even if it meant it wasn't with each other. Words will never be able to express how much in love I am with you. And as nervous as I am taking this next big step, I'm honestly so happy it's with you. I love you.
I knew right away things after meeting you would be different. You literally had me bringing you a happy meal, half eaten at work. As time went on, I saw how much I was able to finally be myself with someone. You stuck around with my shit talking, my OCD, and even got you waking up early to go to the gym, though I know that's probably you just trying to impress me. Most of all, you accepted me with my broken past, broke, learning how to adjust to a normal life. You accepted my imperfections, learning how to love someone when I was feeling undeserving of yours. For all of this, and so much more, I feel beyond blessed to be sharing this moment with you. We have gone through so much hard times together. Many of that broken my heart to see you go through. I hated seeing you go through everything last year and not being able to do anything. Every day I wanted to make your pain mine. But because of all that, it made me want to love you more. You have given me so much that I can never repay you for. I promised I would never abandon you. I promised to always protect you, even if it meant losing myself. You pushed me to be a better man, a better person. Through all my imperfections, any sacrifice is worth making you happy. Even though if it meant losing you in the end, I thank God that He has blessed me with you every day, and I will always love you.